talk right back.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
There were no words, no way to speak. I will still hear you. There were no tears, no way to feel inside. I still feel for you. Even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance would not arrive, you still have my heart until the end of time. You're all I
sa mundo, iisa pa rin tayo. Pinoy remix pa rin ang hilig natin. Handog sa inyo ng ating mga OFW. Pinoy atin to. Ito ang Pinoy Remix.
When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite song. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. It was such happy times, and not so long ago. Now I wondered where they gone, but they're back again, just like a long lost friend. All the songs I loved so well. Every sha-la-la, every whoa-whoa, still shine. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing, so fine. When they get to the part where it's breaking her heart, it can really make me cry, just like before.
This is DJ Toto, Club Banger Remix.
Looking back on how it was in years gone by, and the good times that I had, makes today seem rather sad. So much has changed. When songs of love that I would sing to them, and I'd memorize each word. Those old melodies still sound so good to me as they melt the years away. Every sha-la-la, every whoa-whoa, still shine. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing, so fine. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can even make me cry, just like before. And it's a yes thing.
This is DJ Toto, Club Banger Remix.
Sha-la-la-la, every whoa-whoa, still shine. Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they started to sing, so fine. All my best memories come back clearly to me. Some can even make me cry, just like before. It's yes thing.
The City of Lions, Singapore Big Star. Kahit saan ka man sa mundo, iisa pa rin tayo. Pinoy Remix pa rin ang hilig natin. Handog sa inyo ng ating mga OFW. Pinoy atin to. Ito ang Pinoy Remix.